워크샵 레지스트레이션 하러 한 10분 정도 걸어갈 거예요. 일곱 시 30분입니다. 오늘은 워크샵 안 갑니다. 그렇게 하기로 했어요. 다람쥐, 한철모? 로컬 우유, 로컬 초콜릿.
In the skull of the Tyrannosaur. There's still a lot of mysteries about our fossil pair and the ancient animals.
Okay. People from MIT, Abernathy from Harvard, who
아이스크림. 저게 유명한 종탑? 재물.
Planetarium's first projector, a Zeiss Model 2, was brought over from Sweden by Moorhead himself and served as the heart of the planetarium for 20 years. In 1969, the Zeiss Model 6 replaced the Model 2. Its nickname? The Bug. With a recognizable dumbbell design, it could project over 8,000.
Take a seat. You're experiencing the same feeling as two astronauts sitting side by side in the Gemini trainer at Moorhead Planetarium in the 1960s. On the ground, astronauts used a trainer like this. They studied the stars visible through these small windows and learned their locations. By memorizing specific constellations, the astronauts could ensure their spacecraft was placed in the correct orientation. And they could identify 7 constellations in this view alone. But they had help. This green line represents the orbital path of of the spacecraft relative to the star. Their view along that journey would vary, depending on the spacecraft's orientation and position in Earth orbit.
And it's kind of hard to see right here, but if I turn off the lights here, it's easier to see our fire on the table. You can see it way more clearly. So we have 4 different colored fires here, right? So the potassium chloride burns this lilac/pink color, the sodium chloride burns in orange color, the copper chloride burns this really pretty green, bluey color, and lastly our strontium chloride burns. Creates what I like to call a fire tornado because it kind of shoots upwards, right? So a little further in so I can show you some cooler. Look how crunchy it sounds.
Wow.
We have a very crunchy, shrunken up balloon, but watch what happens when I leave it out in room temperature for a bit. You see that balloon